Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. I'm sure you guys liked that toilet light in the last video. It was kind of interesting. If not, I've got something more exciting for you today. What we've got is a flying ball. Apparently it like senses your hand, flies in the air. It was $3 for something that flies. That's $3. That's got my attention. Hopefully it's got your attention. I've got it right here. I'll put a link to it in the description if you want to get your own. Let's open it up and see if it works. Alright guys, so here's our product. It comes in pretty standard eBay packaging, the gray plastic type. Let's use our little pen knife to open this bad boy up. Alright, so you can see it comes protected in some foam here, which is always good for the shipping process. We're getting better. Alright, here's our product. Alright, keep everything nice and protected. And it looks a little bent there, but you know, we'll see if it still flies. It was $3 guys for a flying object. So we'll see. It does come with a charging cable here. And if you want an idea of the length, this charging cable is about 1.5 to 2 feet long. So here's the actual flying ball. It's definitely made of plastic. Everything on it looks like it's mostly plastic besides a few key metal components. It's got a pretty cool design, not gonna lie. It does come in multiple colors, guys. If you wanted to get a different color, there's like pink and blue and red and whatnot. I'm sure it has LEDs on it though, so that'll add to the aesthetic of the product. It does seem to have some sort of stabilizers on there to help it remain stabilized. Let's turn it on and see what it does. Okay, so it does have, oh Lord Jesus, it's already going. Oh Lord, turn it off, turn it off. Clearly does not have a way to control it after you turn it on. It just kind of goes, which is interesting. It doesn't come with instructions or anything, so I'm not sure what's going on with the charging time or anything like that. That's the product. I kind of want to see it fly. I'm sure you guys want to see it fly, so let's see it fly. Let's see what happens. Let's yeah, let's see what happens. You know, I'm not sure. Okay, so it's on. Oh Lord. Oh no. Rise, my minion. It's a little wonky, guys. Not gonna lie, it's a little wonky. That's crazy. I'm sure it's not fully charged because it's just not, because it's been sitting in the package for a while. But it flew. It changed colors. It did have a little bit of stabilization problems. It was twisting and turning, probably because of this bent propeller here. But as far as I know, this thing just flew. And $3 for a rechargeable flying toy? Like if you need to get like a kid a gift, or someone of a young age, or someone that acts like a young age like me a gift, and you could spend $3 to get them something that flies, you really can't go wrong with that. Like, it's got the colors going on, it's got spinning propellers. So we've lost a piece. I'm gonna go look for it. Alright guys, it turns out that these stabilization pieces are very necessary to the flight of this thing. I'm gonna find out real quick here if I broke it or if it's actually durable enough to withstand that kind of abuse. I let it get away from me, which is probably a problem you'll mostly have if you try to fly it low on battery. So learn the lesson that I learned without having to learn it yourself if you purchase the product. But as far as it looks, I don't think we broke it. Hello, Mr. Back Together. If this thing starts flying after all that crashing, then I'll tell you what, it could just be a pretty durable product. This little stabilization arm bent a little bit, so we'll just bend it back in place. Everything looks fine. No way. If this came back together and flies, oh no. Okay, so I've learned a lot about this product after using it. One, it is actually extremely durable. It took quite a few hits at some speed, popped stuff off, but essentially didn't even break. It all went right back together. It does have a failsafe on it too, so that way if something is preventing the propellers from spinning, like if it's leaned over on its side, it'll actually just kill the motor completely to prevent damage to it. It's you know, I'm actually extremely impressed by the fact that not only does it fly, not only does it work, the motion sensing does work, but it also has the ability to stay together. Even if you gotta put some pieces back, it's durable. For some reason, this $3 flying toy is more durable than some like $50 helicopters that I've seen. Very easy to put back together. Looks cool, works cool. Probably charges in a matter of, I'd say, an hour at the most. But it worked. It's kind of neat. $3 guys, $3, you can't go wrong. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you click the subscribe button. It'll be right down there. If you want to check out the last video of the channel, it's gonna be right up there. If you want to check out the playlist with lots more videos, it'll be right up there. Have a great day, everybody, and don't get shot. Nice.